Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark some chart of accounts as inactive in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with QuickBooks Online and you have a lot of different account types and different names for those account types. How do you actually go ahead and mark the ones as inactive for the ones that you don't use in QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, in order to access chart of accounts, you want to highlight transactions, and then you want to click on chart of accounts. Once you click on chart of accounts, you're going to see all the different account types with their names. In order to mark one as an inactive, you want to click on this down arrow and then click on make inactive, which reduces the usage for that chart of accounts. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark chart of accounts as inactive in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next